So yesterday I put out a video on anchors. So since I was pulling a couple things out of the tunnel through the air book, I'm going to show an application of another astronomical component which is listed in the tunnel book. This particular word, I'm not going to give the word because the word tells you what the application is. The word is found numerous times, always around Gann's talk about the airplanes and their movements. This particular word, I have never heard any Gann researcher, any of the books out. I've never heard anyone mention this word or attempt an astronomical application of it. So what I've done, I've figured out an application or figured out how to find this data and then figured out how to apply it to a chart. And in this particular case, I'm using Mercury, and I'm just taking a look at the last few months here of the SPY. And you can see what I've got here. It had 18 of 19 turns within a day, and a couple of those places they're clustered together. This is a fast movement of Mercury, and the one that missed was the very first one. And then this one here, we had a low, or within a day of this high. This was a low. This is a very minor high. This is a high. This one's a low. This is a high. Then we've got a high. Then we're one day off this low. These two are tight together, wrapped around the weekend. So basically identifying that high with exacting in one bar. Same here. We've got a pair at the high. Then we've got a low. One day off the low there. This one's a high. This one's one day off the low. Then we've got this high here, a low here, a low here. One day off this low and this one at the high. And then I just stopped it there. This continues on into wherever, as far forward or as far backward as you want to go. Anyhow, this data really is a nice short-term daily bar swing or pivot identifier. So right there you can see 18 out of 19 exact or within a day based on the planet of Mercury on the SPY.